Please stand by. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by. Stand by.
Good evening, my fellow Americans. It is with a heavy heart that I regret to say that our world is under attack. It may be coming to an end. Recently, reports of time or dimensional rips in the Earth's surface from around the world. The first reports coming out of the city of Augusta, Maine, have been reported in many countries around the world, including the United States, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, South Africa, Lesotho, Egypt, France, and Russia. Many more countries are set to experience many more rifts within the next hour. These rips cause interdimensional mist to spread and therefore release interdimensionally created creatures into our beautiful nation. Within every single one of these clouds, there is a giant 300-foot long, 200-foot tall mantis. It is not aggressive, but extremely hostile in a way because of its sheer force and destructive capabilities. However, there are smaller creatures that are extremely aggressive toward any human they see. There are 3 reported. These are flying scorpions, now classed by the United States government as scorpion flies, which are 2 to 3 feet long, possess a venomous stinger with enough venom to... Sorry, sirens just went off in my area. I'm terribly sorry about that, folks. They possess a venomous stinger with enough venom to kill all of humanity 10 times over. Extremely hostile. They will break through walls and windows to kill any human they sense. There are giant spiders, now called gray widowers, which lay eggs in their human hosts and hang them alive, and then the larvae hatch inside of their live host. A truly hostile beast. However, disputed reports about pterodactyl-like bats, now called pterobats, have been reported in Maine and France alone. Reports say these creatures feed on scorpion flies, but also on humans. They possess eagle-like speed and agility, and dinosaur-like strength. At this time, it is thought that the rips will eventually cover Earth and swallow all of humanity if humanity is not wiped out by these incredibly terrifying monsters first. My instructions to any remaining Americans: gather all of your friends and family and brace for the end. The United States military, as well as the United Nations and other world powers, are currently trying to dispense of these creatures, but not even nuclear weapons have successfully been detonated against these creatures. Yes, you heard correctly, nuclear weapons. Fallout is also a concern during this crisis because it is thought that the fallout has actually created these creatures stronger and may have made the mantis creatures hostile. Sorry, I have just gotten word from my vice president that we are needing to go to an undesignated location, and I am going to have to cut my message short. Long live the United States of America, and may we survive.